guys, so I'm here at Marshall's and I'm checking out their shoe section. I came across this wall of slides and I am so excited because I'm finding some really great brand names. Like they have this BB here that is $16.99. It's a really good price. They also have this pink one here with like white tie-dye, and this one here doesn't have a tag on it, but let me see how much these are. These are also $16.99. I also see these Tommy Hilfiger ones. Oh, these are different. These are a, let me see, French Connection. Never heard of that one. But these Tommy Hilfiger ones down here are on clearance for $12. And they also have these Union Bay. These are so soft. I love these. These are also on clearance for $13. And they have these Nautica ones. It's kind of like a towel material. And these are $9.99. These are really cute too. And I also see these black ones for $16.99. And some of my favorite are these Juicy Couture ones. It has like a little clear strap with a crown on it. And these are, let's see, $12.99. And they also have these Juicy Couture ones for $12.99. You have little fuzzy straps with a little crown charm and a pearl. These are really cute. These are by the Laundry List for $16.99. That's beautiful. They also have some sparkly Nautica shoes over here that are also on clearance for $20. And these Izod shoes. These are cute. And these don't seem to have a price. Actually, they do. They're $19.99. They have some Tommy Bahama flip-flops for $12.99 and some Juicy Couture ones up here for $12.99 as well. Now, these are my absolute favorite. These are Juicy Couture. They're so shiny and blingy, and I just love them. These are in rose gold for $16.99. And they also have a leopard print one. It's so pretty. These are also $16.99. So those two are my favorite. Oh, we also missed these ones here. These are Capelli by New York. They have a comfort insole. And these are really cute. They look really comfortable, and they're on clearance for $10. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which pair was your favorite, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.